Hello and welcome to Lloyd Land Rover in Carlisle. Today I'm presenting this Land Rover Discovery 3 litre D300 R-Dynamic HSE. This Discovery comes finished in the very sleek Carpathian Grey and comes sitting on the gloss silver alloy wheels. The black exterior styling features gloss black roof rails and privacy glass give that ultimate finish. Your every journey is made simple with the blind spot assist and keyless entry, allowing you to move easily inside of the vehicle, where you're greeted to a door card full of features including the memory seat configuration and Meridian surround sound system. Straight into the front we have the Ebony and Light Oyster leather electric front seats, and there's a really warm welcome into this vehicle with the natural light coming from that fixed front and rear panoramic roof. This Discovery comes with a very well presented dashboard. And now sitting in the driver's seat, I'm going to show you some of the steering wheel controls. We've got voice control, lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, and this is a heated steering wheel. Ahead is the driver's display. Great for being on the go, this vehicle does come with the wireless device charging. And to maximise your comfort at all times, it does feature the heated and cooled front seats and 2-zone climate controls. Moving on now to the 11.4-inch Pivi Diamond infotainment system, we've got some great features including the 3D surround on and off-road cameras, navigation, Bluetooth, DAB radio, drive select modes, Apple CarPlay and much more. You can also access the heated and cooled front seats through the touchscreen. And to fulfill all your towing needs, this vehicle does come with the electrically deployable tow bar. Continuing into the back of the vehicle here, we have a really nice amount of space for your rear passengers. Also includes the heated rear seats and rear vents to ensure they are very comfortable too. Ideal for family life, this vehicle does come with the 7-seat configuration. Even with the seats up, we do have a great amount of space here, and on the side panel you have access to the electric rear seats. The seats down really opens up the boot space, does feature the power tailgate also allowing for easy access. As part of the Land Rover approved programme, this vehicle does come with the 175 multi-point inspection to ensure peace of mind when purchasing your vehicle from us. And this Discovery also comes with the 12 months warranty and 12-month breakdown cover. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you are interested in this Land Rover Discovery, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us on 01228 599 000.